Hey, what's up guys, Cardboard here. It has been a while, but if you don't know who I am, my name is Cardboard. I flip and sell computers as a hobby, I guess, but I do post these. It has been a while since I posted my last PC flipping journey video, but we are now in season 2. I'm officially starting it back up. To recap, I left off around $700-ish, and now I'm at around, I think, almost $2,000 again. I don't want to take up too much of you guys' time. Thank you for watching, and if you like the videos, please like and comment and subscribe. It helps a ton, more than you would think. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and peace. I'll see you all next time. Hello. Okay, so right now I just received a deposit for a custom computer I built last video. I'm going to case swap it, CPU cooler swap it, and extension cable swap it. I already got the deposit. I'm gonna order the parts right now, and then we'll be back tomorrow. I think February 1st, because I am recording right now. It is January 29th, but I'll be back on the 1st to build the computer. So I have the ARGB controller and the extension cables and an AIO. I usually wouldn't go with an AIO, but just for the aesthetics this time, hopefully it looks nice. And I also had the Montec XR in white. It comes with 3 ARGB pre-installed 120mm fans. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the mounts that I am taking out of the computer and putting back into the computer, which is pretty much the same, but it's like 20 bucks more expensive. But I am selling the computer for $970. It'll make me a profit of around 200 bucks. Okay, so I got the parts. I'm just gonna go ahead and take out the parts from the old computer and put them into the new white case and switch out the cooler and the cables. I'm also gonna spray paint the GPU, but I won't be doing that until tomorrow-ish, but I am gonna prep it today. RGB controller, and these are extensions. ID Cooling FX240. It's a 240mm AIO. It's an ARGB and it's also white. All right, this is the Montec XR. It's a pretty nice case. I've already built in this case. Okay, let's get to building. Nice 3-fan RX 6800s. I think this is a really slept on card. It has 16GB of VRAM. It has similar performance to an RTX 3080 with more VRAM. If you're just looking for gaming performance, I'd recommend RX 6800. They're like around $300. They're like same price as 3080s. That's pretty much it. You know what? Pretty sure I could just return this case. Yeah, I'm most likely just gonna return it because I don't need this case. Oops. Dude, I don't want these cables just like straighten out. Trying to see how I mount the AIO. I'm gonna mount it like this. Now for the boring part, the cable management, which I will be back because this computer is basically finished. Okay, so I'm pretty much finished with the computer. The wiring was very confusing. We're gonna see if the computer turns on. Okay, that fan is not connected. That's fine. Let's see. White. Awesome. That looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and test the CPU, GPU, and the RAM. CPU is actually really cool already. Dang. Awesome. Okay, starting off, we were at 26 Celsius. So I'll be back in an hour once this is done. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up. So I took apart the graphics card off camera. We just gotta sand these down. This is the bottom part. This is the top part. This goes over here, I think. This goes like that. So it's gonna be this, but you know, white. I'm gonna go ahead and sand it down. I'm not gonna do it on camera because that's just wasting storage. It's also 10:27 right now, PM. So we're doing this at night because I didn't have time earlier today. So I'm pretty much done with the first layer. I guess you can see it's like basically down to the bare metal. I started with 220 grit. I'm gonna move my way up as we go. It's 2:12 in the morning, and I have to get this done by Wednesday, and it is currently Tuesday morning, and I don't have a lighting, so we're just gonna do this with my headlight, I don't care anymore. This is just Rust-Oleum spray test. So we're gonna, oh, that's not good. You wanna do strong. There we go, like that. Try not to get these. Do it like this. Okay, basically just that. We're gonna do that like 3 or 4 more, like 2 or 3 more times. All right, so I pretty much finished the graphics card. The paint isn't the best. How it's gonna look from this side. This paint is right here, is not finished. But as long as it looks okay from a distance, like sitting distance, then should be fine. But yeah, it's pretty much all done. All right. Oh, the only thing that does throw me off a little bit is this red RAM. But overall, it does look pretty good. Boom. All right, the computer is pretty much done. I'm gonna run OCCT one more time, just in case there's like overheating issues with the graphics card. But besides that, it is pretty much done. And I will make some money tomorrow because this is when I'm gonna sell this computer. And I think this is one of the cleanest computers I've ever built because this AIO just looks so freaking nice. In this pure white aesthetic. I mean, the white RAM is kind of bad, but it's okay. I'll take what I can get. And you know, hopefully in like 6 or 7 years that the RAM market is better. Hopefully. I got a mango. I don't know if this is ripe, but I'm gonna go cut it open, see if it tastes good. Okay, I've been informed this is not a ripe mango, so I have to wait. Okay, it is 10:48 a.m. I don't know if the camera can pick it up right now. They said they're coming in about like 20 minutes, so we'll see. And the Prius is crazy. Hot. Pat. Shh. Yo.
Yeah, let me pay you before anything.
Oh.
Are these all of your dogs?
They're so cute.
They are.
They're not all my dogs. This one's only my dog.
What, the rest are just messing around or what?
Yeah.
What? They're so cute. Hi. Oh my god.
Puppies are cute. She has a dog.
Are they
at
like
home.
from the same litter or something?
Yeah.
They look very similar.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. I am recording, by the way. Is that
Oh,
okay?
yeah, it's all good. Just,
Okay. I'll blow your face.
yeah, okay, that's
Don't
cool.
worry.
I'm like, my face. I'm a little chopped right now.
No,
So.
that's okay. I did the same thing with her computer. Okay. I don't know if you want to look at it. I can grab a box cutter real quick.
Honestly, the pictures are fine. I trust you. Yeah,
Okay.
You did it really quick. I really appreciate it. I gave you like $15 extra. I
Oh.
know it's not a lot, but
No,
just
that's
'cause you're
okay.
so quick. I
That's
appreciate
okay.
it so much.
That works. Okay. Here's the computer.
Here, let me put this in my thing. Oh my goodness.
So you're gonna keep that in case, just in case you want to upgrade like your CPU and motherboard. You can just let me know if you want to upgrade or not. Like if anything slow down, because it's gonna eventually slow down. But just let me know in like four or 5 years.
Okay, thank you.
And then this is your power cord.
Thank you.
And then when you plug in your HDMI, plug in it at the bottom in the graphics card, okay?
Okay.
And then you'll be good.
All right.
And everything is pretty much plug and play. Also, the name on the computer is Yao Ming. I forgot to change it.
Okay. So just change it.
Yeah, just change it.
Okay. I
Okay.
appreciate it. It was good doing business with you. I hope you have
I
a
hope
nice
you, I hope you guys enjoy.
Yes,
Thank
I
you.
will definitely. Thank you so much.